Hey, I'm Lily, and today I'm gonna show you my attempt of making a Nurgle Chaos Spawn. The hope is that it will look a little like a mix between this crazy weird drawing and my little meat-eating plant. Nom 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 nom. Starting with making a tongue that, well, I know, just trust the process, okay? Adding teeth, a whole bunch of teeth actually, so he can devour anything he comes across on the battlefield.
It's really goofy looking.
I like it.
My go-to material has always been polymer clay. And while I feel completely out of my depth creating something chaos-inspired from the Warhammer universe, I'll stick to something I know how to handle to make the best of this challenge. There are actually a total of 7 awesome little chaos spawns that are being created by 7 different YouTube channels. All made in very different ways, and all approved by Papa Nurgle, of course. Mine is, as far as I know, the only one made from polymer clay, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, meet Mr. Potato. He may be a weird little thing, but he is still way too cute. I have an idea for some disgusting guts hanging out, perhaps that will make him less adorable. And to top it off, let's add some wee little maggots. I love that expression. In pure chaos spirit, I decided to make some tentacles, and with Nurgle's sacred number being 7, that's how many I decided to make. Kind of worried how to fit a monster with 7 tentacles on such a small base though, but if there's a will, there's a way. Right? Oh, and if you didn't already know, it is mandatory to have cuddle breaks while crafting. Starting to assemble everything on top of a 50mm base to be able to use him in future tabletop games. Looking pretty goofy still, but at least now he has feet. The other 6 amazing channels involved in this awesomely gruesome collaboration are Winter Wizard 7, Big Adventures Miniature Worlds, Vivid Mini Mods, Forge of Solus, Useless Wizard Miniatures, and Patch Workshop. You should really check their amazing creations out too. All the links can be found in the description below. I decided to give my little spawn his very own Nurgle tramp stamp. Oops. Finally starting to look a little gooey and disgusting, with some extra random teeth on his back and loads of places where I'm planning to add some kind of acid-looking puss, I guess. He definitely needs some sweet weapons as well, and leftovers from my Tyranids fit well and did the trick. Let's add some shine to those guts. Remember, the goal is to make him as disgusting looking as possible. This is definitely not a Mr. Universe contest. Finally, time to start painting. Even though I've created him from clay that all had the color I wanted to go with, it sure doesn't hurt to add some extra paint. I mean, some pedicure on those already disgusting nails does the trick. I'm using a lot of Nuln oil to really enhance all those patterns in his skin and basically make him look like he's had a really rough day. Or year. With some dry brushing, he is starting to look even more like a mess. Must admit that I'm not very good at painting, but on this little fella, it just doesn't feel like it's possible to fail. I mean, the worse it looks, the better it is. Perhaps that should be my new motto. Time to add some finishing touches. In this case, it's resin with neon yellow color pigment to really make him look disturbingly disgusting and gooey. Before you get to see the finished result, I just want to take a moment and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like it, please let me know by pressing the thumbs up or even subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. And don't forget to check out those other 6 Nurgle spawns that are linked in the description below. Once again, thank you for watching, enjoy the finished result, and I'll see you next time. Bye. A little gooey and disgusting. Disgusting.